Hi guys, Alicia Walls here, and I just want to do a quick video about Google Keep. Now, Google Keep is a very important tool that you guys need to have on your phone, on your tablet, on your desktop computer, or any of those things. Because what Google Keep can do for you is it'll keep all of your Facebook scripts, all of your important links that you need to go to on a daily basis, links that you want to send out to people, the reply that you want to send out to individuals on Facebook or Instagram or wherever that you are promoting. You can keep those files in Google Keep. So how Google Keep works, guys, is it's really simple. If you already have your Gmail account, your Gmail email account already set up and activated, all you have to do is simply, and I'll show you, you just go to google.com. Once you get to Google, you'll type in Google Keep. Okay. And once you go to Google Keep, then you'll click here. The first option is Google Keep, and you click there. Once you click there, just because you already have a Gmail account that's on your phone or on your tablet, on your desktop period, especially if you're using Google Chrome as your browser, okay? So it'll populate it here, but if it doesn't, right up here in the top, it'll say sign in, and all you have to do is click on add an account. Once you add the account, then of course you're going to put in the email address for your email and your password that you use to access your email account. So once you do that, now you have all of your files that you save, your scripts and everything. All of your pages will be here inside of whatever email address that you have open down here, okay? Your email address will be here to let you know which one that you're using it on. If you have multiple email accounts, as I do, then you definitely want to pay attention to the one that you're using. So Google Keep is very simple. So let's say, let me see, I'll go to the training site. Okay, here's the training site right here. So say for instance, I want to save all 5 of these scripts so that I can use them again. So I'll come here to the training. I'll highlight this one, right click on it, click copy, and I'll go back over to my Google Keep, and right up here where it say take notes. Now if you're doing it on your phone, it'll sit at the bottom of your phone, and you'll just click on the tab at the bottom. So now it's telling me to, go ahead and put my note in there. So I'll come here, I'll right click on the screen, and I'll click on paste. So now that script is there, but I want to make sure that I can figure out which script this is, what it's for, and just most importantly, what is this that I have inside of my Google Keep. So I will put in a title, and this title, guys, will actually be ETC Facebook script. Okay, and once I do that, I want to color code it. I want to make it a color so I know that all of my Facebook scripts are this lime green right here. And I want to make sure that all of my Facebook scripts are at the top of my page up here, because once you start using Google Keep a lot, you'll have a lot of files in here, and you want to make sure that they're organized so that you know what you're looking for whenever you go to your Google Keep. So you can always press this little pin up here, and what it'll do, it'll pin this to the top of your screen up here. And it'll always stay there regardless of whatever you have down below. It'll always stay there. So if I want to copy the training link, if I want to copy the training link and the password and post it inside of my Google Keep, so whenever I need to go to my training or whatever, all I have to do is go to Google Keep, and I can actually click on that link inside of my Google Keep. So I'll go ahead and put my password in here, what I want it to be. whatever that may be, and I'll put that there. And I don't want to put this in here just for video purposes, what the password is, but you know, I come here, I'll put that in, and at the very top I'll just say important links. Okay, if I could spell tonight. There we go, important links. So now I want all of my important links to be this red color. And I want to pin that to the top because, excuse me, whenever you're trying to get a link out to someone, or you want to access that training, or whatever the case may be, you want to make sure that that note is pinned to the top of your page also. So this actually go hand in hand with every single thing that you guys will be using. If you want to know the details of the vacations that you're giving away and things like that to these members, and you know, just to keep yourself refreshed on the details of the vacation, you want to make sure that when you request your vacation and you receive it in your email, you click on the details tab and you just copy all of the details, and you want to put those details here where it say take notes. And then your title will be, if this is the airfare and hotel, you'll say airfare and hotel details. Okay, so the next time you come to your Google Keep, you already know that you have the details in here. If someone asks you a question about the details, it's right there in your phone, in an app on your phone. So Google Keep is a very, very important tool to have whenever anyone is running a business. You know, you can save important phone numbers in here. You can save important names. You can save the admin in here. Their Facebook link to get back to them, to send them a message or whatever that you want to do. But Google Keep is something that you definitely need to keep with you at all times. Now, of course, whenever you're trying to download Google Keep on your phone, whether you have Android or if you have an iPhone, you just have to go to the App Store or to the Play Store and just search for Google Keep. It's a little bitty yellow, like a light bulb or something. And you would just download that to your phone or your tablet or whatever that you guys are using. Because if you're out of town, or if you're at work, or you're at your family member's house or a friend's house, and that person has a computer, you can still access your Google Keep from anyone else's phone or tablet or computer. All you have to do is go to Google, type in Google Keep, and you sign into your email account, and therefore your Google Keep notes are right there for you to access any given time of the day that you need and you want to. Okay, guys, so that's the video on how to download, access, and use the Google Keep feature for your Gmail account. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all later.